What if you could become a better person? Not by working harder, but by taking one doable step a day. And not because you're a bad person now, but because there's something inside you that's ready for more. How to Be a Better Person walks you through 1 year of those tiny steps. 365 small but mighty tools you can use in the next 24 hours to make a difference in yourself and the world. My mission? To help you live your best life.
Hi, and welcome to How to Be a Better Person. I'm Kate. I'm guessing you've had the experience where you've gone to the store to pick something up, only to realize once you got back home that you already had it. Or that there's at least one thing hanging in your closet right now that still has the price tag on it, even though you bought it weeks, months, or even years ago. Maybe it's a lot of things. Next time you need to buy something, anything, remind yourself to take stock of what you already have. That means shopping inside your own closet the next time you feel you've got nothing to wear, looking through the drawers in your bathroom when you're thinking it's time for a new moisturizer, or even checking out what's in your fridge and your pantry when you're thinking about ordering takeout. Most of the time, if you just take the time to look, you'll see you already have what you need. Even if you don't, you'll get some good information on what would be just the thing to fill the hole in your closet, your medicine cabinet, or your refrigerator, which will help you avoid going out and buying something that you won't end up using. Taking stock of what you have also invites creativity. Maybe you'll get inspired to make a salad out of the cans of tuna and sliced black olives. Or you can put together a new outfit by putting a sweater and a pair of boots with the dress you wore all summer. I'm not trying to say it's bad to buy new stuff. It's not. Spending money and acquiring things is an inherent part of life. It's not good or bad. It just is. This isn't about being virtuous. It's about appreciating what you have. And it's a little bit about saving money, or at least reducing the amount of money you spend on things you don't need, so that you have more of it to spend on the stuff you truly do. It's also a great opportunity to practice looking in a more objective way. If you head into your closet thinking, ugh, there's nothing to wear in here, your odds of finding something to put on that you're excited about are pretty low. But if you go in simply with the objectivity to see what's there, you're more likely to find something that catches your eye or sparks an idea. Have fun shopping in your own home. Tune in tomorrow when I share a tip that helps you be more present and will help you earn the thanks, although likely unexpressed, from your fellow humans. Best of all, it takes approximately 2.5 seconds to do.
Thanks for listening to How to Be a Better Person. If you liked what you heard, share it with someone you think would like it too. Your voice matters. Come sign up for the weekly newsletter that includes a link to every episode from the previous week so you can catch up on anything you missed. You can do that at beabetterpersonpodcast.com. I also love to hear from listeners. Seriously, I love it. Send me an email by clicking on the Contact Kate button at beabetterpersonpodcast.com, or you can tweet me at KateHan, Katehan, or find me on Instagram at Kate Hanley Author. I look forward to connecting with you.